Hi, this is Aashwasan Foundation. I'm Maithili. This is my entire team. Okay, we stand for mental health today. We are an organization that helps people know themselves, address the root cause of what they are going through, and give permanent solutions. We help them actually connect to their true selves and true nature so that they can live their life with purpose and health. So we today in TCS, we are standing for mental health. We want to tell everybody that we all are emotional beings. We all have emotions and we should never suppress them. We should always look at them, address them, and only then we can be free of any mental health. All mental health root cause lies in the suppressed emotions, emotions that you have never expressed, emotions that you are not even aware of. Aashwasan is here to bring out awareness so that people can address them and forever, for a permanent level, have solutions for every kind of mental health, be it schizophrenia or phobias or any kind of jealousies or power struggles, whether it's individuals or corporations. It's important that human beings are free, happy, and purposeful in their life. That's what we stand for here.
So, how do people come across over, like, the major things, like, we have job security,
Yeah.
you have depression,
Yeah.
you have jealousy, and other major thing is you have anger. So if you give us small tips, like, how do we go about it?
So, first of all, any emotion, whether it's jealousy or anger or hate or any emotion, first of all, if it is there, then it's a reality. One has to accept it and not fight it. Once you accept it, then you will have to see what needs to be done. There are ways one can overcome. First of all is acceptance, and then talk about it to a person that you deeply connected to, or a counselor, or of course Aashwasan, and overcome. Once you talk about it, then you will know where is it coming from. If you do not know where it is coming from, you will live with it. And if you really see, please turn your phobias, fears, like jealousy can become power struggles. Power struggles in corporations, for example. Anger can become violence. Sadness can become depression. Insecurity can become worry. Self-doubt can become confusion. Depression can lead to suicide. So if we address the root cause, first of all, acknowledge all our emotions and then address the root cause, where is it coming from, then you can actually avoid suicides, you can avoid road rage. Do you know millions of people die on the roads just because of the road rage? People kill each other just because somebody's car touched or scooter touched a car. Do you know youngsters are losing life like this, in this manner? Suicides happen over a small incident called "My mother did not make upma today." Actually, it is not as simple as that. That feeling somewhere deep within perhaps has been there for some years. It is never overnight. Mental health is never overnight, but it can be treated. It can be treated permanently. One thing, most important thing, do you know mental health, actually, from Aashwasan science perspective, if we can talk, mental health is an indication that you're not yourself. You're not your true self. You're not aware actually who you are. In fact, mental health is an indication, first step to an indication that you need to look deeper. You need to connect to who you are by nature. That's what actually, if we can say in a few tips, yes, please accept your emotions. Do not suppress them. That's what we stand for.